Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to add images to display the different customizable parts of your product. To move forward with this tutorial, there's one important thing you need to have done: preparing your images. If you haven't yet done that, I've included a link in the video description to an article called Preparing Your Product Images with Photoshop. Make sure to check it out before moving forward. Alright, let's keep going and move on to adding images to Kickflip. Suppose I'm building a shoe customizer with those images. I'll start by clicking on the blue plus button in the top left part of the product builder. Under Select Input Type, I could pick Thumbnail, Drop-down, Radio, Label, or None. That will determine how the customers will interact with the image. I'm going to select None, since customers won't be interacting with this image. Don't worry if you're not sure which type to choose, you can always change it later. Under Select a Display Type, pick Image and hit the Create button. Here on the left, my image has been added, and since it's selected, I can specify all the settings in the right side panel. That's where I'll upload the image, under Image Answers. Let's click on Untitled Answer. That's the default answer that was created for me. Under View 1, let's click on Browse and select Soul.png to upload it. And I can click on Done to close this Properties panel. Great! The Soul image is now displayed in the customizer. It's a good idea to name your images to keep things organized. I'll name this one Soul, under Title here. Let's keep going and add the other images. I'll hit the blue plus button and select None as the input type again. And let's pick Image again and hit Create. I'll name this one Exterior. Let's click on Untitled Answer, then, under View 1, we'll click on Browse to upload the exterior.png image. Now, let's just quickly repeat the same process to upload the last two images, the buckle and the insole. And that's it. The different customizable parts of our shoe are now displayed in the customizer. In the next video, we'll see how to apply colors to these images. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out over live chat or email. We're always happy to help.